Here are the 30 incredible moments caught by the doorbell camera, ranging from the puppy enjoying his new carpeting to the boy striking a garden gate while cycling. This incredible moment shows a kid asking her mom if they have a cat because she heard daddy saying, "I'm gonna beat that kitty."
Because Dad last night was saying, "Oh, I'm gonna beat that kitty, baby."
That's your fault.
This delivery guy decides to deliver something other than soup, which is a fart in front of the doorbell camera, and he seems pleased with himself.
Feel better.
This guy was riding an ATV while trying to load it on a pickup truck. However, it tilted and flipped over. He ended up falling and failed to roll over his ATV. This world is full of cold-hearted people, but there are also many kind and good-hearted people, including the delivery guy in this clip who stops to play basketball with the kid in the driveway.
Oh, yeah. Oh! Thanks. Oh!
This clever dog sneaks into the backyard and steals a sofa cushion from a neighbor's house. He stuffs the pillow between his razor-sharp teeth and flees like a thief. The dog is ecstatic about the new rug in the room and can't stop giggling. He was having a great time playing, jumping, and growling on this rug. A large bear approached the deck of the home in this video clip while the owner was sipping his morning coffee. The child who forgot how to brake while riding an electric bike ultimately collided with a garden gate. After realizing no one was coming to help him, he garnered the strength to pick up the bike and walk home. The most magical way to plow snow. In this video, a person can be seen dressed in a green unicorn costume while blowing snow off the sidewalks. He is an emergency room nurse technician, and one day, when he came home from a grueling night shift, he tried to open his door with his hospital badge. The pizza delivery driver never rang the doorbell, so the owner didn't know his pizza had been delivered. An opportunistic thief made quick work out of the situation, helping himself to a whole pizza. Turns out it was the neighbor's dog. This is why you put your brake down when you park uphill. This video shows two energetic bear cubs and their patient mom paid this deck a visit to grab a late-night snack and a workout from this bird feeder. Sometimes easy things are hard. Just ask this man who could not for the life of him figure out how to fold up the baby stroller to put it in his car.
No. I hate you.
This 4-year-old Bernese Mountain Dog Retriever Husky mix, who looks tough and big and scary, showed his playful side one gorgeous winter day when he was let out in the yard by himself. Two small terriers fulfilled their duties as guard dogs by rushing at a bear that walked into this home in Pasadena, California. What has hundreds of legs, weighs thousands of pounds, and shows up unannounced at your door in the middle of the night? If you said an escaped herd of dairy cows, you might just live in Warner Robins, Georgia. This kid was spending the morning playing basketball with his dad when he made this epic shot from across the driveway. This squirrel hit the birdseed jackpot. Many Ring video doorbells caught homeowners in the act of scaring their visitors. This one in particular startled a bunch of trick-or-treaters as a massive spider dropped from the wall every time the doorbell rang.
I'm so scared.
This woman was literally rattled when she picked up what she thought was a dog toy, only to find out it was a venomous snake. These farm animals transformed into heroes as a goat and rooster rushed to save their chicken pal as it was attacked by a hawk. The moment the delivery guy made his way to the door, Bruno the dog started chasing him. Wipeout! Hilarious video captures the moment a man slipped on the ice and then slid down his driveway before hobbling away in pain. A huge black bear deftly opened the rear passenger door and climbed inside while it was sitting on a family's driveway. It is one of the weirdest things caught on security cameras. A football went over the fence and caused a huge mess in the neighbor's backyard. Watch. Delivery driver caught on camera destroying an entire Halloween display and smashing many hours worth of carved pumpkins. A golden retriever drags his owner around her backyard by her fur-lined hood after mistaking it for a fluffy toy. This girl was showing her brother how to do a rainbow kick in soccer, and without even trying, she accidentally sunk an early contender for the basketball trick shot of the year.
I know, that's the hard part. You gotta roll it.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
This airline pilot surprised wife with love messages before he leaves for work. That's about all for incredible moments caught on Doorbell Camera. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with such interesting future videos here.